Hello, current sixth graders. This is Mr. Brown. We are looking at our scheduling sheets for next year when you're going to be seventh graders. It is hard to believe that it's that time of year, but we are ready to start thinking about scheduling for next year. First thing I want to highlight is that these sheets are going to be due back to your social studies teacher Wednesday, February the 12th. So pay attention as we blaze through the sheet so you know what you're doing. First thing is, you're probably not going to read the sentence, so I will. While the office staff will do its best to schedule you into your elective preferences, we cannot guarantee them. Your core classes, math, science, language arts, and social studies, will be assigned to you, and we'll also try to assign PE and career and info tech to every student. That I said we'll try. That's not a guarantee, but we'll do our best to get every seventh grader physical education and career and info tech. The first opportunity for you to have a choice is in music. So in seventh grade, you do have a choice of whether or not you do music. I encourage you that if you've already been doing band, or you've already been doing choir, or you're already doing orchestra, I encourage you to continue to do those. But in seventh grade, you do have a choice. So basically, you just need to put an X by which class you would like to take. And yes, you can take band and choir, or band and orchestra, or choir and orchestra, or if you want to, you can choose to sign up for all three. We will do our best to get all students into those classes, but if you choose all three, it might be tough. But I encourage you, if you love music, sign up for the class that you want to take. Then we're going to scroll down to the electives. There are 10 electives that you can choose from this school year. They are all listed here, and their descriptions are on the bottom and on the back of this sheet of paper. Please read over those. You need to number all of these preferences with 1 through 10. So every single one of these classes needs to have a number beside it. 1 being that's the class you really want to take, and 10 being it's the class that you'll take if we give it to you and you will still like it. We will do it, like I said up above, we'll do our best to get you your top choices, but that's why you need to number them 1 through 10 so we know where the class that you would like to take and we have a good idea of what you're thinking about. The last opportunity then for a class is yearbook. Please make sure you understand that you have to apply for yearbook. We have 25 seats available for yearbook class, that's it, and there will be approximately 660-ish students who might think about taking yearbook. So we do a process where we are going to look at your language arts grades to see how you've been doing in language arts. You will also have to write an essay, and then from that, the yearbook teacher and myself, and possibly Miss Piaquadio, we narrow down the list for yearbook to 25 students. So just make sure that if you're thinking about signing up for yearbook, that you know that there's going to be a lengthy process to get into that class. Finally, then, your parent needs to look at this sheet with you and sign it. You need to sign the sheet, and you need to get this sheet back to your social studies teacher by... That dramatic pause was for you to tell the teacher you know it's Wednesday, February the 12th. So by Wednesday, February the 12th, this needs to be back to your social studies teacher. That's it. Happy scheduling, and I hope you enjoyed this video.